So this is the table no for the one-way slab and for the tie wires of the one-way slab using area method. So dali na lang gyud kaayo no if we are going to observe this one no. Okay, area method naman you just get the area, multiply with a factor, and then okay siya. So same problem, and then we need to determine using the area method. Now, the area for this one, butang lang nato no kaning sulod lang gyud lugar, wala apil lang ng lapas, wala apil nga ni gawas na siya. The area is equal to 4 meters, kani siya diri, and this is 4.4 meters. 4.4 meters kay clear ano man, clear lens man. So 4 meters times 4.4 meters, that is 17.6 square meters. So dali na lang din kayo. For the bars, inyo na tanawon diri. Ang spacing is 0.15, and then if magamit ta og 7.5 meter, so we will just multiply it with 2.004. So the number of bars is equal to 17.6 square meters times 2.004. Overall, we need a 36 pieces of kuan. 36 pieces of 12 mm diameter by 7.5 meter long bar. And for the tie wires, so same again, multiply the area, and then if we look at the table, now let's say the bar spacing device at this one, and then bar diameter, bar length is 7.5, and then let's say 30 centimeters ang tie wire at point. So ang factor is 0.217. Just multiply that by 0.217. So for the tie wires, kinahanglan taog 4 kilograms, number 16, GI wires. Muna, we're done. Area method.